Hi boys and girls. I just wanted to give you a quick tutorial on how to get to Google Classroom. So first of all, you'll want to click on the picture up here or the letter, the circle, and you want to make sure that you are in your account. So right now I'm in my account. I can tell because my picture is up. Then you're going to click this waffle. When you click the waffle, you're going to see all kinds of apps here, and you want to go to Classroom. Sometimes you don't see it right away. So if you don't see it, you just need to slide down, and it may be down here. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Classroom. When you click on Classroom, you are going to see GCA Elementary. That is where you will go to see announcements from Mrs. Cross, Mrs. Weems, Ms. Overmeyer, and then here's our class. So you'll want to choose your class. So you'll put the little finger here, the cursor, right here on the picture. Click on that, and then you will be in your classroom. Now, up here at the top, there are 4 different categories. The first one is called a stream. So your stream will give you messages from me that kind of just tell you what we're doing and just a greeting to you in the morning. So this is what yours will look like today. Right in your stream, you will see some assignments that have been posted. So Ms. Overmeyer and I have both worked together to create your assignments in 2nd grade. You can also go up to Classroom, and when you go to, or Classwork, I should say, when you go to Classwork, yours may look a little different than mine. This is what mine looks like, and I don't have a child in school, so I can't really show you what it looks like on your end, but I think it looks pretty similar. So your assignments will also be here in categories. So you'll have math, and it will have the date, reading with the date, language arts, and writing. So let's say I'm going to go ahead and work on my math. Click on math, and it tells me what I'm supposed to do. Watch the video on telling time, and then do math pages 163 and 164. Have someone help you place the cursor in the blue box to type your answers. So I'm going to click on telling time, and it will take you to a video.
Hello everyone, this is lesson 4.
Okay. And then here is your paper you need to work on. Now when you get to your paper you need to work on, this is called a slide, and you will see these blue boxes here, and what you'll do is you'll move the cursor, see the arrow? Move it around, and then when you get to the blue box there, you're just going to click it, and you'll see it outlined, and then click it again, and you can see the little flashing bar, and I put the bar at the end, and I'm going to delete type here, and you will type your name there. So I can even just put type your name. You're going to read your paper, and then you're going to answer the questions here. It wants you to show the time. You're going to click to write your answer, and I see that flashing little black bar. You're going to erase type here. I won't always have type here or there. I just wanted to make sure you understood today where you're going to type your answer. So you'll erase, delete type here, and then you'll write your answer there using your keypad instead of a pencil and paper. So let me go ahead, whoops, and I'm gonna go back. Okay, so that's how you click on your assignments. Some of your assignments today, this one here, if I click on Introducing Landforms, that's just a reminder that you can read your weekly story again if you would like to. But we have it there in case you do. Now, I'm going to be honest with you. I'm not sure on your side what this looks like as far as some of the reading assignments will take you directly to My View. So it says take me there, and you'll go there. Then you're going to find your name. But look, these are all the names in Ms. Overmeyer's class. So I'm not in the right class. Oh, but if I look up here, it says Ms. Overmeyer's second grade class. I'm going to click on this arrow. And I need to get to Mrs. Eicher's second grade class, which says Eicher 2. And then you'll click on, there's one here, one student will be here. We'll click here and you'll know who you are. And then here's one. So I'm going to go ahead and click here. And I think when you click on here, it will look different for you. So I'm going to check on that with Mr. Adams today. So parents and students, all of the reading that takes us to My View, this is something new. We're not sure how this part works, so you may have some questions with these reading assignments today. We'll probably have to work through some of those questions because we haven't done this before. We haven't used our My View reading curriculum online like this. So this may draw some questions, and if we aren't able to access some of this, we'll work through it. So we're not too worried about the reading assignments today. We'll do our best. So I'm going to go ahead and go back to classwork. And then I'm going to go here to language writing. This will look very familiar because it's the same one that you've been working on yesterday. So I have some more details. Most of what I've written here you can read, or mom and dad can read it to you. And it's a lot of what we talked about in our Zoom meeting yesterday when I gave you an example of how to set up your informational writing. So I'm going to click on that. Your informative writing. So here you're going to see that box again. It doesn't say to type there, but now you know. So I'm going to put my paragraph title. And yesterday we said we can just make our paragraph title landforms, just what our topic is. So your paragraph title could be landforms or landforms of the earth. Now, yesterday we talked about using a topic sentence, and your topic sentence has to do with your topic, introducing your topic. There are many landforms on the Earth. And I put a period at the end. You can write 2 sentences if you would like. I know sometimes we start a topic sentence with a question, and sometimes we have a couple of sentences to introduce our paragraph. Your supporting detail, we're going to begin with, we talked about beginning with an order word, a transition word. Whoops, there we go. So I'm going to talk about coasts first. So I'm going to say, first of all, there are coasts. That is land which meets the ocean. I'm going to include, I love going to the coast on vacation. Okay. Then your next detail, you would start with next, or secondly. I'm going to say next. Okay. And then you'll pick your second detail that you would want to write about. Remember, I picked mountains, and then I also picked valleys. So my second detail would be mountains and then valleys. Then your closing sentence. So don't forget, you need to put capital letters and periods at the end of your sentences. Okay. Let me go ahead and go back. And I think those are the 2 things we're going to focus on today. I'm going to go back to my stream. You can also get to your assignments just by clicking on your stream. So when you click on your assignment from your stream, you might think, these are all the people in my classroom. So where is my assignment? So if you look up at the top, it says student work, and that's underlined. That means that's the page you're on. So we need to go to instructions. So I'm going to click on instructions. Now instructions is underlined. Okay. So that is how you navigate Google Classroom. I'm sure there's going to be a lot of questions. This is not going to look perfect this week and probably not even next week. But I know we can do it working together. I love you all very much and have a great day. And don't forget, I am available throughout the day. I will let your parents know too the times that I am available to maybe give them a call, or they can send me messages and I can get back to them as soon as I can. All right, you guys have a great day.